Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about content creation this time. As you know, using the right tools can make all the difference in creating high-quality content that is right for your audience. So today, we're going to explore some free tools you can use for your future content on YouTube. We will introduce a few tools for each aspect of video production, including editing, graphic design, and sound quality. This user-friendly selection of options requires little investment and allows you, as a content creator, to concentrate on creativity rather than budget. Particularly for new YouTube creators, folks who are just starting out and may not have the resources to spend on pricey software suites, having access to free or inexpensive tools is vital to success. These tools will help you kick up the quality of your content while you experiment and learn some new skills. If you're ready to get to work and take your YouTube channel to the next level, stick with us as we explore some free resources you can use to help your channel shine on YouTube. When it comes to editing your YouTube videos, having the right software can significantly improve the quality of your offerings. Among the best free video editing tools available, Vinci Resolve and Shotcut stand out. Both programs offer powerful features that cater to creators of all skill levels. This makes them both ideal choices for aspiring YouTubers. Vinci Resolve is known for its professional-grade color correction and audio post-production capabilities. It has an intuitive interface which allows users to navigate various editing functions with ease, making it accessible even for beginners. With features like multi-camera editing and a wide range of visual effects, you can create stunning videos that really stand out. On the other hand, Shotcut is an open-source video editor that provides a straightforward and user-friendly experience. It supports a wide range of video formats and offers a variety of filters and transitions to enhance your footage. The drag-and-drop functionality makes it easy to import and arrange clips, allowing you to focus on your storytelling. Experiment with these tools to find your unique editing style. Don't be afraid to explore their features. Be creative. With practice, you'll learn to craft striking content that engages and entertains your audience. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is essential for attracting viewers to your YouTube videos, and using the right graphic design tools can make all the difference. Two standout options for designing stunning thumbnails are Canva and GIMP. These two free tools each offer a range of features for beginners and experienced designers alike. Canva is very user-friendly and has a drag-and-drop interface that allows you to create professional-looking thumbnails in minutes. It offers a large library of templates, images, and fonts, making it easy to customize your designs to match your brand. With Canva, you can experiment with colors and layouts until you find the perfect attention-grabbing combination. In contrast, GIMP is a more advanced tool that provides editing capabilities similar to Photoshop. Though it may be more difficult and take longer to learn, GIMP allows intricate designs and detailed adjustments and gives you complete control over how your thumbnails look. Remember, a compelling thumbnail can significantly increase your video's click-through rate, so take the time to create something that stands out. Use bold colors, clear text, and engaging images to convey the essence of your video. With Canva and GIMP, you have the tools to make your thumbnails pop and draw viewers. When creating engaging YouTube videos, good audio quality is just as important as stunning visuals. Poor sound can distract viewers and diminish their overall experience, which is why using the right audio editing tools is essential. Two excellent free options for audio editing are Audacity and GarageBand, both of which can help you enhance the sound quality of your videos. Audacity is an open-source audio editing software that offers a wide range of features for recording and editing sound. Its user-friendly interface allows you to easily cut, trim, and mix audio tracks, making it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. You can also apply various effects, such as noise reduction and equalization, to ensure your audio is crisp and clear. GarageBand, available for Mac users, is another fantastic tool that provides a more intuitive experience for audio editing. With its built-in loops and virtual instruments, you can create professional-sounding audio tracks that complement your video content seamlessly. We encourage you to try out these or other similar tools to improve your sound quality. Investing time in audio editing can significantly enhance your viewers' experience and make your videos more enjoyable and engaging. So, don't overlook the power of great audio and consider giving these tools a try. If you're looking to create engaging tutorials or gameplay videos, screen recording tools are essential for capturing your on-screen actions. Two of the best free options available are OBS Studio and ShareX, both of which offer powerful features to help you produce high-quality recordings. OBS Studio, or Open Broadcaster software, is a popular choice among content creators for its versatility and robust functionality. It allows you to record your screen in high definition while also providing options for live streaming. With customizable settings, you can adjust the resolution, frame rate, and audio sources to suit your needs, making it perfect for both tutorials and gaming sessions. ShareX is another fantastic tool that focuses on simplicity and efficiency. It offers a straightforward interface for screen recording, along with built-in editing features that allow you to annotate and highlight important sections of your video. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for educational content because you can easily emphasize key points for your viewers. Go ahead and explore these tools and see what they can do for your content. Screen recording can significantly enhance your tutorials and gameplay videos by providing your audience with clear visual instructions and immersive experiences. What screen capture tools do you use? Let us know in the comments. Planning and organizing your video content is vital for maintaining the consistent upload schedule needed to ensure that your channel thrives. Two excellent free tools that can assist you in this process are Trello and Notion. Because both platforms offer unique features that cater to different planning styles, they are ideal for content creators. Trello is a visual project management tool that uses boards, lists, and cards to help you organize your ideas and tasks. You can create a board specifically for your video content, adding cards for each video idea, deadlines, and checklists. This visual approach makes it easy to track your progress and stay on top of your content calendar. Notion, on the other hand, is a versatile workspace that combines notes, databases, and task management. You can create a dedicated space for your video planning, complete with templates for scripts, research, and schedules. Its flexibility allows you to customize your workflow to suit your needs, making it a powerful tool for content organization. Take the time to check out these or other similar content management tools. By planning your videos in advance, you'll not only streamline your production process but also enhance your ability to engage with your audience consistently. In this video, we explored a variety of free tools that you can use to enhance your YouTube content creation process. We discussed powerful video editing tools like Vinci Resolve and Shotcut, which allow you to produce high-quality videos without spending any money. For graphic design, we highlighted Canva and GIMP and emphasized the importance of creating eye-catching thumbnails to attract viewers. We also covered audio editing tools such as Audacity and GarageBand to help improve sound quality and make your videos more enjoyable to watch. We explored screen recording tools including OBS Studio and ShareX for creating tutorials and gameplay videos. Lastly, we looked at some content planning tools including Trello and Notion for keeping your ideas organized. Using free tools like these allows you to improve the quality of your content without incurring financial burdens. By taking advantage of these tools, you can elevate your videos and engage your audience more effectively. If you found this video helpful, let us know in the comments. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our future content. Give us a like and share the video so others can benefit from the information. It is because of your support that we can continue to provide valuable tips and resources like these for you. We can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching.